Hi, welcome to this complete Upwork training course. In this video series, we will go through all the essential knowledge you need to know about Upwork, like what is Upwork, how it works, and many other things. In the next slide I will show you the course outline. Best part is this, that it is completely free. We will show you how much you can earn from doing jobs on Upwork. We will show you step by step how to create your profile and how to get it approved. I will explain to you about the jobs feed. What are the fixed rate projects? And what are the hourly projects? And when to take which one? I will tell you about hourly payment guarantee, which is provided by the Upwork. How the escrow system works on Upwork. This is the phase 2 of our course. In this phase I will explain to you which job type would be best for you, and which one you should prefer. There will be a section for Upwork's Connect system, how much you should buy and how to use them. And how to identify high-paying clients, what is the Upwork's Rising Talent Badge, what are advantages of it, and how to get it. What is Upwork's top-rated badge? I will also tell you how to get that too. What is the Upwork's membership plan for freelancers? Should you get it or not? What are advantages of it? And finally, how to apply to jobs. We will talk about this in this section. This is the phase 3 of this course. In this section we will talk about proposal writing, like how to write a good-looking and attractive proposal for potential clients. I will provide you some very good templates to write a good proposal. Then I will tell you about the messaging system on Upwork. How you can message your client or call your clients, things like this. Then we will move on to the payment cycle of Upwork. How you can withdraw from Upwork. What would be the best options to withdraw money from Upwork? Then how you can purchase connects for Upwork. Then we will touch the next section, which is, what are the agencies on Upwork, how those agencies work, and what are the agencies' memberships. This is the last phase for this complete training. Here I will show you the Upwork's agency profile, how to make your own agency and things like that. What are the roles in agency? How to add members in the agencies. What are the connects for agencies? And finally, how to join agency on Upwork, should you join the agency or not? And how much money are they making? And what is the invite system on Upwork and how it works? And finally, how to contact support on Upwork. So, now in this video we will talk about, what is Upwork? Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design and web development. The site helps professionals find projects, communicate with clients and get paid. If you're a new freelancer, or working in a new field, you can rack up valuable experience without always having to pitch clients cold. But the site is full of new workers who are willing to take work for a lower rate, which can impact your earning potential. Overall, Upwork makes it easier to find jobs and make more money, but think carefully about which gigs you want to apply for. So, this is for today. I will meet you in the next video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to be updated. Thank you for watching.